Never get Elon Musk started on an alien conversation.
Which is nothing. Earth is roughly 4.5 billion years old. So all of civilization, as measured from the advent of writing, is a flash in the pan. And I think we want to take whatever actions we can to extend that flash in the pan to hopefully be a flame that lasts a long time.
I can't believe I have to transition from aliens away from this conversation back to Twitter. What do you?
I'm not saying it's aliens, but it's aliens.
What does Twitter look like to you?
Sorry, I got to stop trolling people about the alien stuff. Because people really think. To be clear, I've seen no evidence. I've seen no actual evidence for aliens.
Okay.
I get asked that a lot, and I think I know, and I've not seen anything yet.